In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a backup file to Hostinger. Whether you're backing up for security purposes or just organizing your site files, this step-by-step guide will have you covered in just a few minutes. First, we'll start by visiting the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Hostinger's URL, or simply search for it on your search engine. Once on the website's homepage, you'll see a friendly interface inviting you to bring your ideas online. It's straightforward and welcoming, which is just the beginning of what makes Hostinger a popular choice. Next, look for the login button. It's usually at the top and easy to spot. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you already have your login info, proceed to input your email or username and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger control panel, known as the H panel. Now that you're on the H panel, locate the Home section. This is your main dashboard where you can manage your websites and explore various settings. From here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Manage, associated with the domain or project you intend to upload your backup file to. Click on Manage to access the specific settings for that project. Inside the project settings, find and click on the Files section. This is where you'll manage all things related to file storage and access. After clicking Files, you should then see an option for File Manager. This tool is invaluable and will be your main workspace for file uploads. With the File Manager open, search for the option that reads Access all files of premium web hosting. When you click on this, it provides you with a complete view of your website's file structure, helping you know exactly where your backup file will reside. Next, direct your attention to the File Upload button. Clicking this is essential as you prepare to select the backup file from your local device. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to browse your computer for the file you wish to upload. Ensure your backup file is correctly named and stored where you can find it easily on your device. Finally, after selecting the file, you'll see an Upload button. Click it to begin the upload process. Depending on the size of your backup file and your internet speed, this could take a little time, so be patient. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation that your files have been successfully uploaded, and there you have it, your backup file is now securely uploaded to Hostinger. This process ensures that your data is safe and readily available whenever you need it, providing peace of mind and an efficient way to manage your site's critical files.